Aduna ko'y akua, aduna ko'y atua, aduna mi amua. Sa lugar sa adunahan, aduna kami balay.
We in the municipality of Dauis are glad to have Balai HELENA. One of the most desired places by people to live in is Panglao Island. I do believe that Balai HELENA will make it easy and convenient for the people to have a place of their own. A place where they can sleep without worries. A place they can really call home.
As we say, Balai HELENA in the heart of Panglao. It's also a merger and partnership of Panglao and Dauis. Partnership between Cebu and Bohol.
Sa tanan natong balay nga project, actually, mooning pinakadako. No? Because that's how we believe in Bohol. For thank you, kaayo, kay inyo good ming welcome diri sa Bohol.
Ani de kalindot ang di.
Kung naa ang Balay HELENA sa Heart of Panglao, kamo ang nagpatibok sa among kasing-kasing. Welcome to B. Welcome to the B family. Welcome to Balay HELENA.